Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get no credit impact $25,000 credit line or credit card. Yes, this video carries a combo, and remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $30,000 loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And remember, in this video I will tell you how you can get pre-qualified with no impact to your credit score for this credit line and credit card. And in this video I will take you on a tour of this credit card and credit line application, as well as I will tell you all the perks, including the upsides and the downsides of this credit line and credit card. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So right here is an amazing opportunity right in front of you, and this time is from Suffolk Federal. Yes, you have heard it right, and right here you can get credit cards as well as line of credit, and believe me, it is just soft pull pre-qualification, means it will have no impact to your credit score. So first, and I'm only going to talk about the credit cards here, because if you're going to pre-qualify for it, so it's pretty much that you are pre-qualified for the credit line as well. So I don't want to stretch this video, so I want to keep it precise so you will understand what are the things that this financial institution has to offer. So right here, as they say, that shop with low rates and great rewards and no worries. But what do they mean about it? They say that with Suffolk Federal Credit Card, you will be on your way to spending less on interest and more on what matters to you. Yes, remember that this one has 0 APR offer for 6 months. Yes, this is an introductory offer, so it means 0% APR for the first or initial 6 months. How about that? So right here, the first thing they say that is a low interest rate. So of course, when it comes to the interest rate, we will talk about it in a bit, but you can also review it, as I'm going to paste the link below in the video's description. But do watch this video till the end, because I will tell you how you can apply for it and what is the eligibility criteria, as well as I will take you on a tour of its application as well. There is no annual fee. Yes, I love the products which has no annual fee, because it doesn't matter what sort of perk or other benefits that the annual fee carries, but at the same time I believe no annual fee is the right way for most of the people, so keep that in mind. As I told you that it's 0% APR for 6 months, so of course it's for both purchases and balance transfer. So of course, if you get this credit card and you have any other credit card which has the high APR and you are carrying balance on it, so you can transfer the balance to this credit card from this credit card to the one that you are having the balance. So then it will be no APR for 6 months, and then you can actually sleep in peace, right? So they can give you up to $30,000 in available credit. In this video I was showing that you can get $25,000, but remember, the most of the people I know, they got $25,000 maximum, so it's $30,000 on their website. So maybe some people can get it, but I will only tell you what I have personally experienced and what the people have experienced with this one though. The management and fraud protection with Credit Lock app and MasterCard alerts. Of course, you can get the alerts and you can actually lock your credit card with the app they have, so you can do that. It's pretty much the feature that most of the financial institutions are offering, so I'm not gonna talk about it a lot. So right here they say ability to pay with your smartphone online within apps and store with digital wallet. Of course you can manage your account online with the app that they have, so there's not much to talk about it. MasterCard automatic billing service for recurring payments. Of course you can use it. And one more thing, as this is a MasterCard, so I would like to tell you about it because not a lot of people know that if you have a MasterCard, so what it means that if you buy a phone with this MasterCard or whatever MasterCard you have, your phone insurance will be covered. So it means that if you lose your phone or something happened to your phone, you can get insured. So remember that if you buy it with a MasterCard, you're automatically insured, means your phone is automatically insured. So they have some different cards. So I was talking about the platinum card offer right here. They have rewards and card offers. I'm not going to get into the detail with this one, as I already told you, because you know it will stretch the video. So you can just actually apply for any card that you think that you're eligible for. They do have a secured credit card as well. It's for the people who have the worst credit in the world, and right here you can get up to $10,000 in available credit. But remember, it is a secured credit card, so what it means that you have to give them the money as a collateral, or you can say the security deposit, and then they will give you a credit card. So I'm not going to talk about it, as I already told you that you can get pre-qualified for it. So right here, as you can see, that you can pre-qualify today, and they will tell you each and everything in seconds. So keep that in mind, and when you do that, your score will not be impacted. So now, without wasting any time, let's see how the application looks like. So here's the countdown: 3, 2, 1, let's go. So as soon as I click on it, this page will open. So right here, as they say, that there is no negative impact to your credit score, and it's secure, safe, because it's a two-step process. Of course you will get a message on your cell phone, and then you have to confirm it, or you have any other authenticator so you can use it. But remember, it's pretty safe, so don't worry about it. And of course there is no negative impact to your credit score. It means it is just a soft pull. It will not impact your credit score. But remember, there's one thing that you have to be eligible in order to apply for this credit card. You need to be a member, and you can easily do that by going to their website and just apply for their membership, or you can open an account right here. So if you have a checking account, you can pretty much easily do that. They have other options as well, such as loan, so I will tell you about the loan in some other video. But right here I am telling you about the pre-qualification. So in the pre-qualification, you have to write your first name, your middle initial if you have any, your last name, your phone number, your email address, your social security number, and your date of birth. Remember, when it comes to your social security number right here, they will not do a hard pull, so it means it will not affect your credit score in any way. So keep that in mind. All they will do, they will only do a soft credit check, which will not impact your credit score. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $30,000 loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please like this video, it helps the channel grow, and it also motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.